So you guys know how much I love CATRICE, the brand. So they came out with a new foundation. It's called Clean ID Hydro BB Cream. You can still see the dark spots coming through. So this is very, very light. Let's try it with the brush on this side. You can still see my darkness there as well. You get a little bit more coverage with the brush, and that's usually the case. It feels just like a serum. It feels very hydrating. It is quite tacky. If you have dry skin, I think you would like this. I feel like people with oily skin wouldn't like this. Even though I have normal to dry skin, I definitely would set it before applying the other products. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this.